Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's Roxy, and today we're tackling a crucial topic for all of us, maintaining leg strength as we age. We'll explore 10 fantastic, accessible foods to keep your leg muscles strong as you age. We'll break down why each is a powerhouse for your lower body, and how they keep you mobile and robust. Let's get started. First up on our list is a breakfast staple for many, and for very good reason, the humble egg. Eggs are a fantastic source of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. They also pack leucine, crucial for muscle protein synthesis, and some are fortified with vitamin D, vital for muscle and bone health. So, whether you like them scrambled, poached, or in an omelet, incorporating eggs into your diet is a smart strategy for giving your muscles high-quality fuel. Let's talk about going green with spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, crucial for oxygen transport to muscles, and calcium, vital for muscle contraction. Adding spinach to your salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes supports the structure and function of your muscles. Moving on to our third food, let's dive into the dairy aisle for Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands out with its impressive protein content and is a fantastic source of calcium, crucial for muscle contraction. A bowl of Greek yogurt, perhaps topped with berries, offers a multifaceted approach to keeping leg muscles robust. Our fourth powerhouse food for strong legs comes in a small package, but delivers big benefits: almonds. Almonds provide plant-based protein, magnesium for muscle function, and vitamin E, an antioxidant. Grabbing a handful of almonds as a snack or adding them to your oatmeal or salads is a delicious way to fuel your leg muscles. Coming in at number 5, we have a classic lean protein source, chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent source of high-quality, complete protein and B vitamins, vital for energy metabolism. Incorporating lean chicken breast into your meals can significantly contribute to preserving the strength and integrity of your leg muscles. For our sixth food, we're heading to the sea for salmon. Salmon is packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, potent anti-inflammatory agents supporting muscle health and reducing soreness. Enjoying salmon a couple of times a week provides excellent protein and powerful anti-inflammatory fats to keep your leg muscles functioning optimally. Next on our list, at number 7, are lentils. Lentils are rich in protein and complex carbohydrates, providing energy and the building blocks muscles need to recover. Adding lentils to soups, stews, or salads is a budget-friendly and effective way to boost leg muscle health. Our 8th food for strong legs is the versatile whole grain quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and provides complex carbohydrates, offering sustained energy and important minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Incorporating quinoa as a side dish in salads or as a breakfast porridge can help ensure your leg muscles are well fueled and nourished. Nearing the end of our list, at number 9, we have a sweet treat: berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress and reduce muscle damage and soreness. Adding mixed berries to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies is a delicious way to support muscle recovery. Finally, our 10th food, though technically a drink, is non-negotiable for muscle health: water. Proper hydration is fundamental for muscle function, nutrient transport, and waste removal. Dehydration can impair muscle performance and increase the risk of cramps and fatigue. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your muscles and your entire body functioning at their best. So there you have it, 10 incredible foods that can keep your leg muscles strong and healthy as you age. From the protein in eggs and chicken, to the antioxidants in berries and hydration from water, each offers unique benefits. Incorporate these foods into your diet to keep your leg muscles strong and healthy as you age. Stay strong, stay active, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.